Hello friends, welcome once again. Here is another problem here. This is our fourth question in this topic. If tan a plus b is equals to root 3, tan a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3, where a plus b means the sum of a and b is greater than 0 but may be equals to or smaller than 90 degree. Okay, so now we have to find out the value of a and b. How can we do that, right? So let me revise you once again. All the trigonometric table of tan, that tan 0 is equals to what? Yeah, 0, right? And tan 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3, right? And tan 45 is equals to 1, and tan 60 is equals to root 3, and tan 90 is undefined value, that is infinity, right? So if we know these all, right, now we can deal this problem, right? So here what's our problem? What is our given thing? First see what is given, right? This is our given. So let me write here tan a plus b equals to root 3, right? Or tan a plus b is equals to, see, in this type of problem always what we have to do, we have to convert this numeric value into trigonometric form, right? Into this tan, sine, cos, or whatever it is, right? Always we have to equate this normally, right? In such kinds of problem I'm talking about in general, right? So if you got like this problem, so first you have to convert this numeric value into this trigonometric values, right? So now I'm just converting, right? So which trigonometric value have the root 3 in tan? Exactly, means which tan value have the root 3, exactly root 3. So what I'm getting, 0 doesn't have, 30 also, 45 also not, 60 it has, right? So in the place of root 3 I can write easily tan 60, right? So what you are watching here, tan a plus b, that's 60. It means tan a plus b is equals to tan 60. So I can easily write now a plus b is equals to 60 degree, right? So this is my first equation. Let me do another one. What is given over here? Yeah, so it is tan a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3, right? I think it, let me do this with different color, it will be more better, right? So or again tan a minus b is equals to, so which tan value have the equal value with 1 upon root 3, right? In trigonometric form, which degree have, right? Which angle has the equal value with 1 upon root 3? So let me share. Yeah, exactly. So tan 30 degree angle have the equal value with 1 upon root 3. So in the place of 1 upon root 3 I can write the angle tan 30, right? So what I'm seeing again, this tan a minus b is equals to tan 30. So I can easily write now a minus b, therefore a minus b is equals to tan 30, right? So again, therefore a, here is the minus, right? So this will go this side in plus form, right? So 30 plus b is my second equation. Now from this first and second, what I can do, right? Let me change again color, this one, okay? So a plus b is equals to 60 degree, right? So in the place of this a I'm just writing this one, okay? 30 plus b, I'm just replacing. So 30 plus b again plus b is equals to 60, right? So 30 and b plus b, it will be 2b, and I'm taking this plus 30 this side, right? This side, since it is here in plus form, it will be in here negative form, right? So 60 degree minus 30 degree, or 2b is equals to 60 minus 30, that is, yeah, exactly 30 degree. So or b equals to 30. Now it will divide this 2, right? So 2 15 ja. So what will be our what is our answer? That's b equals to 15 degree, right? So we got one value, right? Now we have to find out another value, that's b, that's a, right? And we got the value of b, so we can easily calculate this. A equals to 30 plus b from second equation. So a is now 30 plus 15, that is 45, right? Like this we have to solve, right? So any time if you got this kinds of problems, so first you have to convert this numeric value into trigonometric form, right? And then equate, and you'll get the means the equations, and this solve this equation, you'll get all the values, all angles value, right? So like this we have to solve. Thank you. Watch another videos. There are lots of problem that will be clearing more your doubts. Okay, bye.